Hi, I'm Diane Scott. I am a staff solution engineer out of California, and I'm a captain for vSphere Security Guide. The Security Guide allows administrator to basically secure and harden their environment so that to make sure there's no extra security holes into the infrastructures. So this is the first year this lab has been published. Before, there's always been scripts for you to harden your lab. But since vSphere 8 just came out about a year ago, the DoD has not blessed the script yet. So instead, we manually wrote out all the different policies of how you can harden your environment. Usually, this lab is for governments or federal accounts who needs to have extra security into their environment. The user will need to learn how to add longer passwords into the administrator login, and also allows you, if you type your password 3 times in the error, it will teach you how to do that and reset it that way. Or give to certain people different permissions to when you log into the environment. You know, security is a big thing on people's mind, and if you want to add extra security into your environment, come and take the lab and learn how to harden your environment.